All right, so check this out. It was storming earlier, thunder, lightning, super heavy rain, and now this is what we get. So we're going back out there. We were about to take the jet skis out, and we had ordered the part, the relay starter, but we hadn't switched it out yet. And as we were about to head out just now a few minutes ago, the jet ski that had the bad relay starter didn't want to start. But it took us about 10-15 minutes to switch out and started right up, and now we're out here. So we'll see how flat it is out there and how fast we can go. Keith wanted to go to Chicago, but there was just no way. Look at that, we got 3 sailboats. What a beautiful day this turned out to be. Which way? Almost had you with the spray right there. What are we doing? It's reaction time, baby. It's not mechanical, it's reaction time. I don't know. Why would it be lighter? It's the same model. I'm gonna tell you why I'm faster. Shit. It's the black. You gotta delete the chrome. You really might be right about that. Chrome. No chrome on mine means it's way faster than the one that he has because he didn't delete all the chrome. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's why my jet ski is faster. Simple.
That's the only variable, really.
Did it? And the driver. Reaction time, baby.
I just didn't want to be accused of any, like, cheating, you know, if I would have, if I counted it off, you know?
So I opened up to Keith and I told him that I would be a little scared of being out like this if it was the open ocean. And his response was, not me. So Keith, why don't you explain why you wouldn't be scared?
It could just be because you grew up on the ocean, you know, maybe you know more than me. You know more about it.
You've seen plenty of...
I've seen plenty of it. I have. Maybe that's why I wouldn't be scared. You know? Ocean's always been good to me.
Look, if it was this clear, okay, I'd probably dangle my feet, but
I still wouldn't do that.
I would still be nonstop looking down, afraid of what might come up.
Yeah, I wouldn't be dangling nothing outside in the ocean.
Oh, we didn't show you guys. Look at this. Look how clean these look. Sea-Doo. Wait, sea decking. Sea decking.
Shout out.
Shout out to Sea Deck.
Feels so much better on the feet, man.
Oh yeah, I don't even need my water shoes anymore. These grip, and they're spongy and comfortable, and
no more broken toes.
That's right. So if you need any sea decking here in the new Buffalo area,
call me.
Call Keith.
Hey, all right.
That's pretty good. Those sharks! Sharks. Shout out. Woo! Es from Puerto Rico. Na 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 na. Over that trick.
Is that really a new trick?
Over that fiber.
Oh! Cool.
That's a new trick. That was awesome.
You gonna do it? Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Sid. Come on, girl. Give us some gas.
Oh, damn. Hell yeah. That's good. That's a good one.
Your turn. Get me.
All right. Did it work? That's the anchor right there.
Right where?
Like by that little house.
That's a wooden part. Wooden part?
Yeah.
All right, lead the way.
All right, and then we'll get you like you'll be way behind.
We just had the nicest conversation by the pool.
About what?
We got to talk about our neighbors. We got to talk about our wonderful husbands.
You, you guys can't keep this going.
Why? Maybe.
Maybe, but just maybe.
I don't know. I just think it's
We all have a vice, okay? Yeah, what could it possibly do?
She has a whole life.
Yeah,
Whole life with Doug.
I'm in love with Doug. He's in love with Roy. Down and walk first
I
to
think-
Africa.
I think Frankie, you're Frankie, right?
Yes.
I think Frankie's an alcoholic.
A little bit, but she's working on it. She's going to AA.
She likes them watching Hawaii.
No, don't talk about my peaches like that.
Virginia, Boston. Okay.
Two boys.
Tell me.
Two boys.
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead.
I don't want to talk about it on camera yet, okay? I'm not ready, Roy.
Private business. Private.
Your accent is not the same.
Yes, it is. Don't talk to my peaches like that. One more time, Roy. One more time.
I'm going over there.
We're about to disturb the peace.
I know. I was trying to say that.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. Always be trying to say that. Pretty sweet, man.
I was like at one point just going along the line of the light on the water.
So hungry. Probably one of my favorite sunsets.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's not clouds blocking it this time. Yeah. Ooh, there's that sun.